Hi my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today theory of equations lo important questions ni discuss cheskundam. Okay, here theory of equations, one root is given, then how to find another root and how to solve the given equation. Okay, today we are discussing. Now if you new one, please subscribe to our channel and share, like also press the bell button, then you will get new notifications. Okay, yes. Now theory of equations, given equation, yeah, given say cubic equation, right? Here 3 is their power, then this is a cubic equation, means here one root is given. Okay, here listen, 2 minus root of minus 7 is there, right? Here actually from one root means here actually a plus ib given. Okay, actual, but here I not there, then how to write in I? See here, 2 minus root of minus 7, right? In this root minus means you can write I square, right? You know this I square equal to minus 1, right? I square is what? Minus 1, right? In complex numbers we learned, right? Then you can write here root of I square is minus 1, then in this place I square you can write. Okay, got it? Then 2 minus, then it will come outside, then I root 7. Clear? 2 minus I root 7 is 1 root. Okay, this is 1 root. Okay, then tell me another root. Yeah, a plus ib. Listen, actual process is a plus ib is 1 root. Then is the opposite sign, means a minus ib is also 1 root. Okay, is also another root. Is another root. Alright, another root. Okay. Yeah, then 2 minus I root 7 is given, right? Then what is another root? 2 plus I root 7 is another root, right? Is another root. Yeah. Then how to divide them here? See, two roots. Actually, 2 minus I root 7, right? Into 2 plus I root 7. Yeah, multiple them. You will get one quadratic equation. Then that equation use, then divide them. Okay, using synthetic division. Okay, understood? Here using synthetic division, how to convert them? See here, how to find here equation like a minus b into a plus b, right? Then a minus b into a plus b is what formula? A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square, right? Then 2 square b square is what? I into root 7 whole square is clear. Then 2 to the 4 minus I square is minus 1, that's why minus minus plus will be root 7 whole square is 7 is 11, right? 11. Okay, here listen, two roots are given. How to find equation? Suppose alpha and beta is given, then how to find equation? That is x square minus x into sum of the roots, that are alpha plus alpha beta. Okay, equal to 0. This is the equation. Yes, here alpha is this one, beta is this one, right? Then alpha plus beta, alpha beta we did 11. Then what is alpha plus beta? Yeah, I'm doing, see here, 2 minus I root 7 plus 2 plus I root 7, right? Now because alpha plus beta we are adding, then minus plus cancel, 2 plus 2 4. This is alpha plus beta, right? This is what? Alpha plus beta. This is alpha beta. Okay, just apply them here. Then implies x square minus x into alpha is alpha plus beta is 4, then 4x here plus 11 equal to 0. Okay, yeah, now this is the factor of given cubic equation, right? Now using synthetic division, how to do? Okay, using synthetic division, first write down given equation, that is 3x cube, yes, minus 4x square, okay, plus x plus 88 is clearly you can write. Okay, don't write minus with instead of plus. Okay, yeah, one check, that's why I'm checking 2-3 times. Yes, now write down coefficients. How to reduce here? 3 minus 4 with the sign you can use. Okay, here 1, next here 88. Okay, next here how to write here, given what? Here in this place, okay, using here minus of is there, right? Then here actual formula is, listen, I'm writing here formula x square, here minus x coefficient, okay, minus x coefficient plus constant. Okay, actual minus into coefficient equal to 0. Yeah, you can use like this in these terms. Okay, this is and this is terms. Okay, minus you can learn like this. Minus is there now, then my opposite signs like 4 here plus 11 is there, then minus 11. Understood? Why? Because here actual formula is what? X square minus x minus constant. Okay, just compare them, then write here coefficient. Here coefficient is 4. Yeah, I wrote up here. Here plus 11 is there, that's why minus is there, that's why minus 11. Understood? Whenever equation there na, then you write here minus compulsory will be. Suppose minus not there, then you can write here minus with number. Okay. Now how to do this sums here? First you can write here zeros, 2 zeros. Okay, then yeah, now 3 in synthetic division, add them numbers. Okay, actual division is what we are doing minus, right? But synthetic division plus. Okay, then 3. Yeah, now how to do? See, 4 3s are 12 in this place. Okay, exactly this place you can do this multiplication terms, and this multiplication terms here not there, right? That's why you can write here 0 or dash. Okay, no problem. Now add them. 12 minus 4 is what? 8. Is it clear till now? Right? Yeah. Now here what should number write? Yeah. Now this number already wrote off, right? Then here in this place now 4 8s are. Okay, is it clear? 4 8s are 32. Okay, now this place is this number, right? 11 this number. Okay, minus 11 3s are is minus 33. Minus 33. Yeah, now add them this one. 33 plus 33 is 0, right? Yeah, now in this place this into this, right? 4 into 0 is 0. Okay, now this number minus 11 into 8 minus 88, right? 11 8 is 88. Now add them, you will get 0, right? Then simply here equations what? 3 comma 8 means 3x plus 8 equal to 0. Got it? How to do synthetic division? Is it clear? Okay, now first you write again zeros here and here this place. Okay, then multiple them this term and this term here, not the rest for 0, right? Next here 4 8 is 32. Next minus 11 3 is 33. Okay, these multiple terms in these numbers here only you can write. Okay, understood? Now 3 8 is there, then 3x plus 8 equal to 0, because two terms only, here constant, here x term, right? 3x plus 8 equal to 0. Yeah, 3x plus 8 equal to 0, then x equal to what? Minus 8 by 3. Okay. Okay, understood? Here 2 minus root 7 means 2 minus I root 7. Therefore, how many roots? Cubic equation means 3 roots, right? Then 2 minus I root 7, 2 plus, sorry, plus minus I root of, right? Then 2 plus I root 7, then minus 8 by 3. Another root is this. Okay, 3 roots. Solve means you can find roots. Okay, this is a simple method. Understood how to find? Here one root is given, find out another root. Understood how to do synthetic division? Okay, again another problem I am explaining. Listen. Yes, listen, second problem. Here in this place minus not there. That's why simply you can write here a plus b. Next term is what? 2 minus root 3. Okay, here 2 plus root 3 is 1 root. Then solution is 2 plus root 3. Solution 2 plus root 3 is a root of equation. Okay, root of the equation. Then 2 minus root 3 is another root. Okay, is the another root, is opposite sign is another root automatically. Okay, yeah, then use this is alpha, this is beta. I am writing alpha plus beta. See, then add then 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3, then this one cancel. 2 plus 2 is 4, right? Then alpha beta we want, right? Then a plus b into a minus b square minus b square, 4 square minus b square is root 3 whole square is 3, right? Then for 16 minus 3. Is it clear? Same dot of here like this. Okay, then square root is cancelled, 3 only. 16 minus 3 is 13. Is it clear? 13. Yeah, sorry, here 2, no, right. Yeah, 2 to the 4, yeah. Okay, I'm cancel this is 2 to the 4 minus 3 is 1. Yeah. Is it clear? See, a square is 2 only, not 4. Okay, yeah. Okay, alpha beta is this one. Then equation is what? X square minus x into 4 is minus 4x plus alpha beta is plus 1 equal to 0. Understood? Now this equation, given equation is this, no? Then how to divide, how to use synthetic division, how to do? Okay, now I'm writing, say here coefficients 1 minus 6, 1 minus 6. First clearly see terms like 4 powers 4 3 2 1, yeah, all there, right? They don't now coefficients with the signs. Okay, then plus 11, next minus 10. Okay, then 2. Yeah, Okay, now how, what terms we can write here? Okay, see, minus 4 is there, then write 4 with the minus compulsory. Here plus 1 is there, then write minus 1. Okay, already I told here minus of terms will be. Okay, then that's why you can write here plus terms. Actual formula is what? Minus of x coefficient here, minus of constant. Okay, then only you can do here double substitution. Okay, now 0 0. Yes, listen here how to do this problem. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, now tell me next division is what? 4 ones are 4. Yeah, you can write here. And this place also I told here 0 you can write. Okay, then minus 6 plus 4 is what? Yes, minus 2. Yes, next in this place you can, this multiple terms you can write here, and this term, this place you can multiple terms, this place you can write. Okay, 4 to the 8 minus 8. And now this place, yeah, now we're starting here from here. Why? Because all zeros are that down here. Minus 1 ones are 1, minus 1. Yeah, now tell me minus 8 minus 1 plus 11 is 2, right? Next 4 2s are 8, minus 1 plus 2 1 are 2, right? Then 0 will be, right? Next 4 zeros 0, next minus 1 2s are minus 2, then in here also 0, right? Okay, then how to write this equation? Yes, a constant is x term, this is a x square term, right? X square minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Yeah, how to find here equation? See, 2 is there, again you want to 2, right? Is not possible, that's why you can use minus b plus or minus formula. Okay, yeah, I'm writing here formula. See, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by, yeah, tell me, 2a. Very good, 2a, right? Yeah, now here I am applying here minus b is 2, right? Plus or minus square root of b square is 4. Okay, minus 4ac means 4 to the 8 by 2a is 2. Yeah, tell me now answer. 2 plus or minus minus 4, that's why I will be, right? Then 4 means root 4 is 2, right? Yeah, this is the answer. Then how can you write? See, how can you write? 1 plus or minus I, 2 common cancelled. Okay, then now listen here, power 4 is there, that's why 4 roots will be, right? 2 roots are here, 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, 2 roots. Okay, another roots are 1 plus I, 1 minus I. Okay, then you can write here, therefore roots are 2 plus or minus root 3 and 1 plus or minus I. These are roots, okay, of given equation. Okay, understood how to find three division, how to solve like this questions. Okay, one root is given, then find the another root and solve also how to do. Okay, how to convert them, this type of questions. Okay, if you never, please subscribe our channel. Thank you, all the best, bye.